As a gas engineer, your flue gas analyzer is an essential part of almost every job you carry out. Despite the chunky and robust appearance of many analysers, these devices are far from simple things, and unlike many tools in your toolbox, even the cheapest of analysers will set you back hundreds of pounds, and many go for well over £1,000. So whether you're in the market for a new analyser or you think you could learn a bit more about one of the most expensive pieces of kit in your van, stay tuned. We recently surveyed our customers, and from 595 responses, 35.7% used Kane, 34.9% used Anton, 19.2% used Testo and 6.9% TPI, and the rest are spread amongst a range of other brands. Some analysers are completely specced out with lots of different features, however you may not need them all. For instance, if you only do domestic work, you could save money on an analyser that only has the features you need. This won't make it any worse at doing what it needs to do. From the same survey, the most popular analyser models were Kane 458S and 458, Anton Sprint Pro and Testo 300 Plus. Rather than copying across all the readings by hand, why not use the Bluetooth built into your analyzer to directly import readings? This can be done in our software and will even generate a dated report that legally proves you've done the work. Condensation build-up and temperature changes can cause real damage to your analyzer. Besides, if you do happen to become the next victim of tool theft, replacing an analyzer is a tough pill to swallow. This is especially useful if you don't have a spare analyzer. Send it off to be calibrated when you plan to go on holiday. You can often send it via the merchants if you're worried about it arriving before you get back, and just simply pick it up from there. And until next time, thank you.